and welcome to the Speed Addiction. Very good day today, because today I am just going to give you a overview of the driving dynamics of my M240i now that it has the Big Boost GTX1000 turbo kit. So from the beginning, this turbo kit has transformed the drivability of the car. The performance now is a huge amount more than before. I mean, right now I'm in manual mode, and you can just hear that external wastegate. Here we go. I mean, the car is now a monster. Suspension is now struggling a little bit to keep up. But the performance, as you can see here, is mental. Wow, such a fast vehicle. And you know what? The B58 just takes this turbo kit in its stride. It doesn't feel stressed. It doesn't feel stressed at all. Suspension is struggling, I have to say that. Below, let's just say 550 wheel horsepower, the suspension copes. When you go above that, it's a different level. But as you can see here, the performance is crazy. Now, one thing that's helping me is I swapped out the 245 Bridgestone Potenza RE71Rs to Nankang AR1 265/35, and those tyres have made a huge difference to traction. Before, it wasn't hooking in seconds because I had turned the boost up. This car, tuned by Steve at Wedge Performance, around 25 PSI, but I'm estimating mid 600s. I think that's reasonable. Third gear, bit of lag. Now there's lag until 4,000 RPM, and all of a sudden it just takes off. And then once the turbo is spooling, it's extremely responsive. But I can see that Steve has dialed in the tune to just preserve the bottom end. No, the rods, the pistons, because they're stopped. This engine is unopened. But boy, can you hear that external wastegate? That screamer pipe is screaming, and performance is just mad. Wow! Woo! You have to be careful as you feed the power in, because it will spin if you're careless. But the Nankang AR1s are doing a tremendous job. Third gear, pulls clean. Fourth gear, wow. Brakes are getting to work out. This corner is a tight one. There's a straight coming. So again, as soon as I get through the corner, second gear. Woo! And the sound of that external wastegate is crazy. Okay, so in terms of drivability, I mean, obviously, the car explodes when it accelerates forward. It's really fast. There is a bit more lag, but above 4,000 RPM, there's no lag. And that's the tune, because I know that I've seen this car tuned before, and we can get the power coming in at 3,000 RPM, but that's not going to be good for the bottom end. Okay, another drivability issue is the external wastegate. So if you're at half throttle, it kind of kangaroos a little bit, and that's because the DME is speaking to the motor reflex, which is then controlling the max solenoid and then the external wastegate. So there's a few moving parts here. So there's a little bit of a change in drivability, but it's not bad in any way. acceleration is really smooth. We know that this turbo spools to at least 45, perhaps 50 psi. It's not really being pushed. The turbo's not being pushed. The wastegate duty cycle is pretty low. So it's a pretty conservative setup in terms of tuning and in terms of the level of boost. I mean, I think timing is around 14 degrees, which is not particularly excessive for the B58. So it's a conservative setup. As soon as that turbo spools, we're flying. And I mean, we really are flying. Woo! I mean, you really don't have to try to go really fast. 4th gear, 5th gear. Woo! Alright guys, I hope you liked it. Please smash that thumbs up button and please subscribe and please stay tuned for more episodes of the Speed Edition. See you guys again soon.